You're sitting there, fists clenched, heart racing. Your brain is screaming, this isn't fair. Maybe it's the way he ghosted you. Maybe it's the way they dismissed you. Maybe it's the way the whole damn world keeps telling you to be smaller, quieter, nicer. But here's the truth. Your rage isn't chaos. It's data. It's the part of you that still believes that you deserve better. Let's talk about why your anger is necessary, how to channel it into something powerful, and why revenge done right isn't petty. It's power. Hey there, love rebel. Christy Holt here, your happiness hussy and recovered good girl. Welcome to Unstuck, 30 days to rewrite your love story. Repeat after me. I am the plot twist. Now let's freaking go. Your rage isn't the problem. It's actually the solution. Now, we've been taught our entire lives long that anger is bad, that it makes us unlovable, that it's something to suppress or apologize for. But here is the truth. Anger is the part of you that still believes you deserve better. And I want to also just clarify here that when I speak about anger, I'm talking about the emotion, not the destructive behaviors that often follow it. I remember suppressing my anger after my marriage ended. I'd spent years swallowing my anger and telling myself to continue to be the bigger person and to let it go. But the truth was, I wasn't actually letting it go. I was letting it fester. And when I finally let myself feel the rage, like really, really feel it, it was like a dam broke. And I realized that my anger wasn't the enemy. It was my ally. And here is the shift for today's conversation. Rage isn't about burning it all down. It's actually about using it to build something new. It's about channeling that fire into boundaries, into action, into radical self-trust. And if you've ever found yourself asking, why am I so angry all the time? How can I feel angry without losing myself? Or what if my rage hurts the people I love the most? You are not alone. I've asked myself all of those same questions. And what I've discovered is that the rage isn't something to fear. It's something to harness. So next time you find yourself boiling over, I want you to pause and ask yourself, what is this anger trying to tell me? Because your rage isn't chaos. It's clarity. And when the rage starts bubbling up, I invite you to try this. 1, release it. Grab a pillow and scream or punch it. Let your body release the energy that's been building up. And no judgment here. This is your safe space to let it out. So allow yourself that safe space. Secondly, regulate it. Stand in a power pose. Hands on hips, chest open, and take 3 deep breaths, letting your body calm and your mind become clear. And then number 3, reclaim it. Go ahead and blast You Oughta Know by Alanis Morissette from the Rebellious AF in Love playlist. The link will be in the show notes. Let this music fuel your fire and remind you that your anger is valid, and so are you. And of course, any sort of rage metal song will really work well for this as well. This actually helps you to release the energy of your rage and your anger, helping you to shift into a regulated nervous system state where you can reclaim your power by deciding how you will respond rather than simply reacting out of that emotion. It's a way of saying, I'm done shrinking, I'm done apologizing, I'm done playing small, my voice is ready to be heard. And if you're ready to stop apologizing for your anger, add this to your fuck it list for today. Pretending I'm not furious when I am. Because here's the thing, you don't need to shrink your rage to make others comfortable. You are powerful. So write it down, scream it into your pillow, burn it in a bonfire while chanting, I am a force to be reckoned with, whatever makes you feel good. And then if you're ready to rechannel this energy from your rage into something truly powerful, I invite you to try my gratitude Rampage. It's a quick, Sweary, and surprisingly fun way to shift your energy from anger and upset to empowerment. The thing is, Having this gratitude practice isn't about bypassing your anger. It's actually about feeling all the feels, the rage, the sadness, the frustration, and then choosing to channel that energy into something positive. And when you focus on what you are grateful for, you attract more things to be grateful for. It's not about ignoring the pain. It's about refusing to stay stuck in the loop. So you can grab it. The link is in the show notes below. Next up, let's talk about revenge. Because revenge isn't petty, it's power. And we'll dive into how to channel your anger into action, how to set boundaries that stick, and what to do when the world keeps testing your limits. And if you've ever found yourself fantasizing about keying his car or posting a cryptic Instagram story just to get his goat, this episode is for you. Because you are not alone. You are not broken. And you're definitely not the only one who's ever Googled how to get revenge without going to jail. Let's do this together. I love you. Now let's go do some epic shit, shall we? If this hit like a 2 a.m. epiphany, do me a solid. Subscribe. Leave a hell yes below. Share this with someone who's done settling. And grab your plot twist toolkit at loveunstuck.com. Your love story is already rewriting itself. Now go choose yourself like your happiness depends on it, because it does.